A blessed day to everyone. Today, we will be presenting our CID research with the title Assessment of Teachers' Experiences as Learning Resource Developers in Grade 1 to 3 Mathematics in the Division of Cavite. A division-initiated research conducted in collaboration with the LR researchers in mathematics, Dr. Anacleta B. Incognito, Mrs. Marilyn Lengson, and Mr. Johnoel Valencia. To start with, here are the context and rationale of our research. Our former and newly appointed leaders of the department once quoted that pandemic caused fear to us, but education needs to continue in any forms for it's our way to raise our economy and welfare. That's why education continue even there's a risk due to the pandemic. Different modalities discovered to continue learning. Many are amazed from the constant change and upgrading of education system in terms of learning delivery modality in our country. And as part of the system, a regional office developed and initiated to create a learning resource material, which are the Pivot 4A module with the help of our teachers. The division created a group of LR researchers to identify the perspective of our LR creator in creating the Pivot module in different learning area through the Notice of Meeting 114 series of 2020 and with the Debit Order 16 series of 2017. This is how this basic research developed. To assure the success of this research, the researchers developed a paradigm. First is to identify the focused respondent for the research. Second is drafting of tools through brainstorming, EPS, PSDS, and LR researchers of the division. Third is testing the reliability of the tools. Fourth is revision of the tools and second validation. Fifth is answering of the tools with the selected respondents. Sixth is collecting of result. Seven is to compare, analyze, and interpret data. And 8 is by giving conclusion and recommendation. For statistical treatment, formula for weighted mean was used. And as general analysis and interpretation, the finding shows a very great extent in assessing teachers' perspective about creating the learning resources. And as for conclusion, based on the findings, the following conclusion were drawn. First is educational policies at the national, regional, and division level must be considered in developing teaching materials in mathematics. Second, the teacher's preferred teaching styles must be considered in developing teaching materials. And third, the assessment provided leads to the achievement of the content and performance standard. And for recommendation, first is to create differentiated learning resources of learning materials in mathematics. Second is to conduct a seminar with differentiated instruction and activities. And last, future researchers are encouraged to undertake another study of learning resources in teaching mathematics. With this, we would like to end our presentation by saying thank you and God bless us all.